Right, a person 5 feet tall standing 12 feet away from the lamppost casts 8-foot shadow, and then the same person moves 3 feet further, and then it's asking us, how long will the shadow be? So visually, it's gonna look like, here's my lamppost on both, and the size should not change. And the person is standing 12 feet away, and here's my person. Cast a shadow of 8 foot. And then that same person is gonna get 3 feet further. So I'm gonna extend it a little bit further. So if I add 3 to the 12, that's gonna give me 15. And then that person is gonna cast a longer shadow. And our proportion is gonna look like 12 over 8 is equal to 15 over x, which then gives me 12x is equal to, I think 15 over 8 is 120. Let me double check. 15, 120. So when I divide it by 12, the shadow right here is going to end up as 10. And we're looking at 10 feet. Okay, our next one, the side of a triangle are 9, 13, and 16. The largest angle of the triangle has been bisected. So let's kind of draw this. So here I have my triangle. Again, figure not drawn to scale, but I'm going to say 9 here, 13 here, and because I'm thinking ahead, I'm going to say 16 right here. And it says the largest angle has been bisected. Largest angle has been bisected. So 16 is the largest side, so my opposite angle must be bisected. So when I do, that's going to be my x. And this small piece is going to be 16 minus x. And our proportion states, as if you're drawing an upside down heart. So it'll be x over 9 is equal to 16 minus x over 13. And when I cross multiply, we get 13x is equal to, for the next part, I'm going to write out the whole factor piece. And then distribute. So we have 13x. 9 times 16 should be 144, but again, double check off on the side by doing 16 times 9 on your own, minus 9x. When I move the 9x over, we get 22x is equal to 144. And when I divide it by 22, it's not going to be pretty, which is fine. So we know 144 and 22 are both divisible by 2. So it's going to be 72 over 11. And that's it. So it says, how long is the shortest segment? So this one would be 72 over 11. I think I'm going to make it a mixed fraction. How many would that go into? Let's double check. 72. So it's going to go in 6 times for sure. And then, so 6 and 6 11th. So if the whole thing is 16, this one should be 9, and 11 minus 6 is 5 over 11. I'm going to double check. So we have 6 plus 9 is 15, and these are going to give us one whole together is 16.